Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of download on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will scrolling down until you find this page of Discord. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.